say dog.
Good morning. Good morning. It's your girl say dog. It is a little chilly today in Los Angeles. I'm gonna go get coffee this morning with a friend, and but I just wanted to do like my makeup routine with you guys because I feel like it's been a little bit updated since the last time. Not even updated, sorry. This little beautiful creature named Moose. Say hi, my name is Moose. I know, big mood. I'm working with the LaBelle Foundation per usual, just fostering dogs so that they could take in more animals that have been dehomed from the fire. So this one's Moose. Isn't he so cute? And he's a little bit of snotty. Say it's your girl, say dog. Get it? Because you're a dog. Yeah. Fostering dogs or puppies is a great and happy way to help the community right now. There's a lot of pets that have been displaced and dehomed. Hopefully I can take in more animals if I can. Once you find a home, huh? He's like, I want to stay here. Where was I? We just had to like insert a little bit of puppy love. My recent like makeup routine, I think some things changed, but I'm not doing like a full face. I just want to do like my everyday like super easy 5-minute makeup. First order of business, wash your hands. Always wash your hands. I'm just gonna moisturize my face how I usually do. I'm also like kind of running out the door, so I hope that I can do it really quickly. When am I not running out the door? You know what I mean? Also, these bags under my eyes, like they're like pretty designer, pretty crazy. Amazing, spectacular, beautiful. I used to use this a lot and then I stopped using it, but today I'm gonna use the glow recipe just because I feel like my face needs that glow. Moose is yelling at me. Just a little bit of... Here's what's new. Listen, I know I'm like late to the game, but I have been loving this. So I got a little bottle, just like try it. And I know it doesn't look like I've used it, but I have. It's incredible. And my makeup stays on. Also, it's like, do you see that? This actually holds your makeup the whole day, believe it or not. I think this is the best primer. I've definitely used other primers before, but I think this is the winner for now. For now. Just gonna let it sit. So now, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, which I used to not do, surprisingly. I am in between these two, REFY's eyebrow clear brow sculpt, this baby, and also the Anastasia brow gel. Okay, so hear me out. This one is white, which sometimes if you don't comb it all the way through, there is white gunk. I have to just like make sure there's no white gunk. For me, this holds pretty well. This one holds really well and it's clear gel, but I get itchy. Like it's so frozen and like wet, and it's just by the end of the night, like I want to itch it, but I can't itch it. So I think I'm gonna do REFY today. I don't know, I keep going back and forth between the two because they're both so good. The Anastasia one, I just get so itchy. Like I'm just like there's no movement and it's just like holding the whole day, which is like what it's supposed to do. I don't know. It's a strange thing. It's ironic that I am shaping my brows right now because after this coffee, I am going to go get some products for me to bleach my brows. I don't know if you guys remember, but I had bleached blonde hair in the front, and then my eyebrows were bleached and I loved it. So I think I'm gonna do that again. Kiki. This is what I've been doing, the Tower 28, and my shade is DTLA, Downtown LA Girls. This is my biggest sunspot, so there's that and that. I don't really like too much concealer. You just go up. And Ladies, don't come for my life, but I'm just gonna dab it in with my fingers. Can you guys see what I'm doing? The iPhone, like it shows like all my horrible pores. That's about it for my concealer. I don't really care for it that much today. And in Japanese, we say tekito, like I'm so tekito, which means like I really just don't care. Oh, for some reason, I already have like a natural contour right here, so I never do my forehead. I'm so tekito. It doesn't mean that I don't care, but it's like I'm not precise. I'm not detailed. How do you explain tekito? Like, I'm so tekito. I'm so tekito. Like I just don't care. Like I just tekito ni yaru. Like I'm so rough with it and I'm taking my time. I'm just like I hope everyone starts using that word. I'm so tekito. I'm so tekito. And my usual go-to butter bronzer. You can get this at your local drugstore. And then folks, I got a cream blush from REFY, and this definitely does not replace my Milk Jelly Tint Spritz, because that's like my go-to, but right now I think it's a little too pigmented and summery for me. So I am using REFY, and I also got my duo brush from REFY, which I love her. I thought I was gonna like this side more, but I think I like this side more because I like it like concentrated. Anyways, I have it in the color Citrine. This is what she looks like. So cute. So pretty. Okay, so you know how I look crazy? So once I use this dense brush to get that on my face, then I use this to kind of like blend it out. Blend it out. I'm filming on my phone right now, but I told myself that if I were to do YouTube for a year and I liked it and I still want to continue doing it, I would buy myself a camera, and I just bought myself a camera. So this is the last time I'm probably gonna be filming with my phone, like an actual full-length video with my phone. So I always carry my phone, and I don't normally always carry my camera, so I'm sure I'm gonna be like going back and forth with camera and phone, but full-length video, just phone days are gone. You can't really see, but isn't that cute? Okay, I have to run because my friend is on her way. But I use the color Stone and REFY for my lip. I feel like this whole makeup tutorial is like milk, 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 REFY, REFY, REFY. But it kind of is. That kind of is my routine. Also, my lips are so chapped that I lip masked earlier, so this isn't going on as smoothly as usual. This is, okay, that's, you get the idea. I really like this color also. Let me show you how it looks like. Can you see that? So now I curl my lashes. There's a technique to curling lashes. It's doom, 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 doom. It's like a shoo, 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 shoo. What am I doing? What am I doing? So like, can you see it? I go like this. I'm genius. I feel like wearing mascara today. I don't think I am. Maybe I will. Just do it on the ends really fast. Then, this is my travel size. I'm traveling, by the way, for fun. Can't tell you where. Here's my Milk Hydro Pro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. I tasted that last one for sure. And that is it. Isn't it natural and cute and pretty? Okay, I look so tired today. So like, if I didn't look this tired, it would look a little bit better. It's cute, right? It's just like super quick, really fast, not too crazy. But it is pretty updated. Now that I think about it, I do have some new products in there. Hi. Look at my makeup. It's still cute. It's still there. I just got a cappuccino with a friend, and now I am at Sally's Beauty because I'm gonna get stuff to bleach my brows. So come with. I'm back. You guys didn't really come with me. Oh my god, I'm so sneezy. Ooh. Okay, so I got this. Volume 40, folks, is what I need, okay? We can't do 20s or 30. We have to do volume 40. I'm excited. I'm gonna bleach it today. I also need to go get my nails done because these are gross. These are gross. I need to take them off. I want to do short. I want to do simple. I wanted to do short and simple last time, and then I don't know why I went with these. They're cute. Like if I'm holding a cocktail and it's like, so cute. But like other than that, I can't. What is this? What's that? I hate it. Do you guys want to see me bleach my brows? I don't know if I was going to do that video. Should I do it? Do you guys want to see it? Maybe we'll feel it out. Okay, I mixed. Also, I got this guy, which is like just to like brush everything in if I can't do it with this brush. I have really thick brows. Okay, I applied it. I think I'm gonna get some Kleenex. No, that's not it. What is it? A Q-tip. I think I'm just gonna wipe it off to protect my skin. Also, I've never done any of this before on my own. Like I've only bleached my hair once. I mean, bleached my brows once, but the last time I did it at the salon. We're experimenting together. Let's just lay some cotton. Hello, everybody. Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl, Say Dog. So I'm gonna wait for like 15 minutes and then we'll come back. Also, look at my feet. Is something on my foot? Yes. No. 15 minutes has passed. Okay. I wanna go a little bit lighter though. So this is kind of orangey. Okay, let's see. Ooh. I kind of want it whiter. I might do it again tomorrow. Oh, my skin kind of hurts. Say your hair.